Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your portable oxygen tank. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your hands are clean and dry. Before you begin, take a moment to visually inspect both the oxygen tank and the regulator for any signs of damage. It's also crucial to confirm that your oxygen tank is adequately filled and that the regulator is the correct type for your tank valve. This initial check helps ensure a safe and effective connection process. Now, let's attach the regulator. Carefully align the small pin on the regulator with the corresponding opening on the oxygen tank's valve. Once aligned, gently push the regulator straight onto the tank valve until it sits firmly in place. Next, locate the T-handle screw on the regulator and hand tighten it clockwise. Ensure it is snug but do not over-tighten, as this could damage the equipment. A secure fit is essential for preventing leaks. With the regulator attached, it's time to check for leaks and set your flow. Slowly turn the tank valve counterclockwise, opening it fully, usually about one full turn. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds or feel for escaping air around the connection point. This would indicate a leak. If no leaks are detected, proceed to set your prescribed oxygen flow rate. Use the regulator's dial or knob to adjust the flow to the specific liters per minute recommended by your healthcare provider. Finally, connect your oxygen delivery device. Take your nasal cannula or oxygen mask and firmly attach its tubing to the outlet port on the regulator. Make sure the connection is secure and that the tubing is not kinked or obstructed, which could impede oxygen flow. Before use, always confirm that oxygen is flowing by feeling the air from the cannula prongs or inside the mask. You are now ready to use your portable oxygen tank safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.